This is a 2020 Newmar Aire that has only 29k miles for 522,222, and I think it's a great deal. So, let me tell you why, and also make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I have a little bit of a special offer for you. Now here we are outside of this beautiful 2020 Newmar Aire diesel pusher, 45 feet in length. You can see the tag axle back there. It's got all the goodies. So what does that mean? Well, first of all, you've got a tag axle, which means you're going to have a smoother ride. You're going to be able to go through those rougher campsites, off-road a little bit if you want to. This is definitely not just an RV for paved roads, and that's one of the things I love about these diesel pushers from Newmar. They're built well. The fit and finish inside and out is excellent. Look at how nice that paint shines. Now there are some rock chips up front like you would expect, but other than that it looks brand new, and it's maintained extremely well. The owner who took care of this coach is very proud of it. So now let's take a look at the inside. Welcome on in. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the tour of this 2020 Newmar Aire. We'll start over here in the living room area. Nice and spacious. You can see that there is plenty of room for the kids to play, or maybe even your grandkids. If you're watching this channel, you know that we have our grandkids over quite often. Now watch your step. These things are killers. Alright, let's go down this way. Got your fridge over here. Got storage space above. Let's go ahead and open this. There's even more storage over here. Got another one right here, and you've got the microwave up top. So lots of storage everywhere. You don't have to sacrifice that in order to have a full body paint job like this. That is something that you typically see in a grand design, and they did a fantastic job on this, so you're not going to have to worry about painting this anytime soon. And you also have your electric tongue jack right here. So really cool. This is a beautiful unit. You've got your TV right here, and then when you walk into the kitchen, boom. Check out these Corian countertops. They are absolutely stunning. No, it's not granite, but Corian is a very durable product. It will stand up to a lot of wear and tear. It's easier to clean and it's much less expensive. So check out the size of this island. It's big, it's wide, and it's inviting. You're gonna love cooking meals in this kitchen. I can guarantee that. Got your stovetop, your oven, your microwave, and you've got the residential size fridge. Plus you've got storage everywhere. Check out all the storage in this kitchen. It is amazing. Even over here by the dishwasher, you've got a ton of storage space. Another thing that's really cool about this kitchen is the fact that you've got a lot of windows, so it lets in a lot of natural light. All right. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. Come on back here. First of all, before we get into the master bedroom, I want to show you this because this is really cool. You've got all these lights. When we hit this button, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? All right, now into the master bedroom. Look at how spacious this is. This is a king-size bed, and it's from the factory. Very rare to find a diesel pusher with a king-size bed from the factory. Most of them come with a queen, so if you're looking for a king-size bed, this is definitely a must-see. On top of that, you've got a really large wardrobe right here. Lots of drawers. Let's open up this one. There's even more. Here's a safe in here too. Just a nice place to store your valuables. So the washer and dryer is not vented. Typically in a diesel pusher it's not going to be vented, so it needs to be hooked up to a sewer, and then right over here is where you're going to find your second entrance into the coach. This is a really nice feature because if you're having guests over, or you have family coming in, they can come straight back here into the bedroom, instead of walking through the whole coach. So that's kind of a neat feature. Also, you've got a nice television here. I believe it's a 55-inch and you've got storage above it. Now let's go over here to the front cap. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful front cap. A few rock chips, but other than that, look how nice that paint shines. All right, now let's head into the bathroom. In the bathroom, you have a beautiful residential-size shower. So not one of those small RV showers. You've got a skylight up top. Got a ceiling fan. Always a good idea to have a ceiling fan in the shower to keep the steam out. And then you've got storage here and storage here. This is a solid surface countertop. So not Korean, but a very durable product. And then you've got your sink right here. And of course you have your toilet. Now let's head into the guest area. Before we do that though, I want to show you this. Look at this. What a beautiful view, huh? Look at that. Alright, so over here you have a nice couch and a half. And then when we come over here, look at this. You've got a TV and a desk. So this would be a great place for somebody who is working remotely. And then if we go into this corner right here, look at this. Look at how spacious this is. Can you imagine sitting in here reading a book or having your morning coffee? This is such a peaceful place. A lot of thought went into this particular floor plan, and it shows. And then we'll go over here. You've got your fridge right here. So you could always use this as a second fridge if you wanted to. And then you've got a lot of storage up here. Let's open this one up. Look at that. Wow. And then right here, you've got another wardrobe. Now, if you look right here, you're probably saying to yourself, hey, Jason, what is that? Well, that is actually a Murphy bed. So when you have company coming in, you can pull that bed down and it will sleep 2 people very comfortably. Now, I want to show you something really cool about this. Check it out. Watch your step. All right. So when we turn this corner right here, look at this. You've got your refrigerator right here. You've got a microwave, and then you've got your sink. So what makes this really cool is that you have an outdoor kitchen. Let's go ahead and open up these doors. And voila, check it out. Here's your outdoor kitchen, so you can cook outside while you're camping. You can grill, and you don't have to worry about bringing those smells inside. And then if we go up here, you've got storage everywhere. All right, so this is an entertainment center. You can put your TV up here. And then if we go into this slide right here, look at this. You've got more storage here. This is a huge pantry. And then when you look up here, you've got more storage. It doesn't stop. And then you've got your ceiling fan right here. All right, now we're going to go into the basement and I'm going to show you what kind of features this has. Coming down the steps here on the driver's side, you've got storage here, here, and here. And then when you go into this one, look at that. It goes all the way across the coach. It's a huge basement. Now over here you have your power tongue jack. And then over here you have a water filter. And then you have storage here and here. Now if we go to the other side, on the passenger side, you've got storage here, here, and then here. Now if you open this one up, you've got the water heater right here. But look at this. You've got storage that goes all the way across the back of the coach. All right, now if we go into the back cap right here, you've got your generator. This is a quiet one, so that's a plus. You've got your battery, your breaker box, your water filter, and a lot more. Now this is a 2007 Onan, which is basically a Cadillac when it comes to generators for an RV. All right, so we're back outside now, and I just want to show you this real quick. If you notice right here, you have your black tank flush right here. You have a hose bib, you have a sewer hose connection right here, and then you have your wet bay right here. Very, very easy access to everything you need to dump. If you're interested in this 2020 Newmar King Aire, I highly suggest you act fast because at 5.2, 222 I think it's priced to sell, and it won't be on the market for long. Hey, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, before you go, if you're getting value out of these videos, please subscribe. And hey, if you're in the market and you're looking for a new or used RV, you can see all the RVs I currently have for sale. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.